welcome to the Bahamas. We're going to do a very short press conference here. We have a few journalists in the room. We can ask them if they're interested in asking a question. They can come right here to this microphone, and we can proceed.
Go up there.
Or we can pass it if you want to.
All right. Team USA, congratulations.
Thank you.
I talked to Molly and Maggie earlier, so maybe just to save time, Chanelle and Alysia, just to talk a little bit about your legs and what this means to win, and also about your experiences. Chanelle, you came last year, but you're the only one. It's pretty,
Yeah.
and you guys won 2 years in a row. Just about the depth of USA 100-meter running.
Right. Coming into this meet, I said I feel bad for the person who has to pick the team because the depth of the 800 in the U.S. is phenomenal. And like you said, I was on this team last year, and I would say we were in a little bit better shape last year. It was the end of May, leading up into the USA Championships. So we didn't really have the American record in mind today. We just wanted to go for the win. So to come out in the beginning of May and average a 2-minute pace, I mean, it feels great, and I think it shows what type of shape we're leading to throughout the rest of the year. So I'm just really proud of my team and proud to break the record again. So.
Yeah, and I, first of all, Chanelle, her being the only one that was coming back from last year, I think that it just says a lot. She's been an amazing leader on her team, and like age is really nothing. Last year, you know, she was coming away with a gold medal in indoor championships, and I feel like on this team today, you know, she really was one that was really bringing up a lot of excitement and a lot of just a lot of leadership, honestly, coming into this. And even for me going into my leg, you know, it was just honestly an honor to have her on my team, because as I was getting ready to go into my leg, to be honest, you know, again, this is like my second race in a year and a half, and she had just told me that she believed in me, and I think that it coming from someone that is also your competitor is really important, that we just really have that camaraderie and that team atmosphere, and it really helped us run fast. I really think that's what it was, just really feeling each other's energy and being happy for one another.
Team Poland came second. Congratulations again. How was your experience so far, and how did you